only for two operation, that is addition and the multiplication. First property is closure property, next commutative property, associative property, distributive property of multiplication over addition, additive and multiplicative identity, and additive and multiplicative inverse. Here closure property, commutative property and associative properties are true for addition and multiplication.
Properties of rational number. First one, closure property. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B and A into B is also a rational number. Example, if you take A is equal to 3 by 4 and B is equal to 1 by 2, then for addition A plus B, which is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here you have to take the LCM, that is for 4 and 2, LCM is 2 2s are 2 1s are, then 1s are, so 2 into 2 is 4. You have to take the common denominator. The common denominator is 4. Now see how many times 4 is divisible by 4. That is 1 time. So that number you have to multiply with the numerator. And here 4 is divisible by 2 times. So multiply the 2 with the numerator. That is 3 1s are 3 plus 1 2s are 2, which is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is also a rational number. Then for multiplication, A into B. A value is 3 by 4, B value is 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is also a rational number. Now your second property is commutative property. For any two rational numbers, commutative property is A plus B is equal to B plus A. You have to get left hand side is equal to right hand side if the property is true. Now A value is 3 by 4 and B value is taken as 1 by 2. Now your left hand side A plus B, which is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Already we found in the closure property 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4. And your right hand side B plus A. B value is 1 by 2 plus A value is 3 by 4. Take the common denominator. Therefore, the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. See how many times 4 is divisible by 2. That is 2 times. Multiple with numerator. And 4 is divisible by 1 time. Multiple with the numerator. That is 1 2s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3, which is equal to 5 by 4. If you see here, you got left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means commutative property is true for the addition. For multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. A value is 3 by 4 and B value is taken as 1 by 2. Therefore, your left hand side A into B, where A is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. Now your right hand side B into A, which is equal to B value is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. 1 3s are 3, 2 4s are 8. Here you get left hand side is equal to right hand side. So commutative property is true for multiplication. Then for associative property. Associative property, you have to take 3 rational number. That is, for any 3 rational number, a plus b is taken in the bracket plus c is equal to a plus the whole bracket b plus c. Now we have taken a value as 3 by 4 and b value is 1 by 2. C value is taken as 1 by 5. Your left hand side, that is a plus b the whole bracket plus c. First see what is a plus b. A plus b is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here the denominator for LCM for 2 and 4 and 2 is 4. See how many times is divisible by 4. It is 1 time, and 4 is divisible by 2 is 2 times. That is 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5 by 4. Now a plus b plus c, that is 5 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Here if you see the denominators are different, so take the LCM, but here the prime number 5 is a prime number, so cross multiple. 5 into 5, 1 into 4. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 4s are 4. Here 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 29 by 20. Now you have to see your right hand side. Right hand side is a plus whole bracket b plus c. Now take b plus c value, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to, here both are the prime numbers, just cross multiple the numerator with the denominator, that is 1 5s are 5 plus 1 2s are 2, which is equal to 7. 2 5s are 10, that is 7 by 10. Now a plus b the whole bracket c. A value is 3 by 4 plus b plus c value is 7 by 10. Now you have to take the LCM to convert into common denominator, that is in 2 table 2 2s are 2 5s are, again 2 table 1 time, 5 is not divisible, write as it is. Then in 5 table that is 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now you have to see how many times 20 is divisible by 4, that is 5 times. Therefore 3 5s are 15 plus here 2 times, so multiple with 2, which is equal to 14. 15 plus 14 is equal to 29 by 20. Now if you see here left hand side also you get 29 by 20 and right hand side also same answer, 29 by 20. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So your associative property for addition is true. Addition a into b whole bracket into c is equal to a into b into c the whole bracket. Therefore your a value is 3 by 4, b value is 1 by 2 and c value is 1 by 5. So first one, your left hand side, a into b into c, take a into b, that is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 8. Then a into b the whole bracket into c is equal to 3 by 8, c value is 1 by 5. So 3 1s are 3, 8 5s are 40. Now your right hand side, a into b into c the whole bracket. Here now take b into c, b value is 1 by 2 into c value is 1 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 10. Now a into b into c. Here A value is 3 by 4 into 1 by 10. 1 3s are 3. 4 into 10 is 40. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Your associative property is true for multiplication. Then additive identity. The sum of any rational number and 0 is the rational number itself. Therefore, a plus 0 is equal to a, which is equal to 0 plus a. Therefore, the sum of any rational number and 0 is the rational number itself. Therefore, additive identity is 0. Next, multiplicative identity. The product of any rational number and 1 is the rational number itself. Therefore, a into 1 is equal to a, which is equal to 1 into a. Multiplicative identity is 1. Now, additive inverse. Additive inverse. The additive inverse of a by b is, just you have to change the sign. If it is a plus is there, then you have to write the minus. Minus a by b. Therefore, the additive inverse of a by b is minus a by b. Then, multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of a by b is b by a. Just you have to take the reciprocal of the given number. Distributive properties of multiplication over addition. So for any three rational number, that is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. We can verify this distributive property in next class. Thank you.
I have completed the class. I think you understood the concept. Now use 192 long unruled for your classwork. First question is complete from exercise 1.1, fill up and true or false. Next, write all the properties of Q. Q means you know very well. Rational number is denoted by Q. Then use the same note for your homework. That is, turn your note upside down and complete exercise 1.2, page number 29, question 3 and 4. Thank you, student.